Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today we're at Bowles Campground just outside of Beckley. We're here to change out a vacuum breaker. This goes, well, not every manufacturer uses these. Quite a few use these in the black tank flush system. And I have seen some gray flush systems, but this has the black tank flush. And they put that vacuum breaker in the water line to just make sure that there's no way in the world you're ever going to siphon water back into the city water system. Because, you know, if you're hooked up, if you've got a water hose hooked up and there's a break in the main water line or something, where they're working on the water line downhill from you, it can suck water back through the water system and out that break. So it's a thing to make sure that there's no way in the world you're going to get sewer, you know, pulled back into the fresh water system. So that's what happened. Is this one did not, well, not this one, the one that's in the camper didn't get winterized. That's why whenever I winterize a camper, I always put some antifreeze in the flush system. You know, had someone done this, this would have been prevented, but it didn't get done, so here we are. We're here today to replace it. And it wasn't these folks that didn't winterize it. This is a new to them camper, and whoever they bought it from didn't winterize the flush system, so that's why this froze and busted. So let's get started on this one. We got to go up in this storage compartment there and to get to that. So up there is where they hide that thing. You got the rubber line coming from over there. It goes up to it, and then the PEX line goes down to the tank. So I'm not going to be able to video changing this out, just because there's just not enough room up there for you and me both. So I'm going to squeeze up in there, just take the water line off the bottom and off the side, switch your room right out, and then we'll test it. So there is the old one. You should be able to blow through this way. Oops, blew something out of it. Shouldn't be able to blow through this way. So that means that she is broken inside, and something did fly out of it. Oh, stuck in my beer, some of it. No, maybe not. But y'all hate it when that happens. So now we are going to pull the valve for the black tank, which is here. There. I found it. Wasn't anything in it. So he must have pulled it this morning before he went to work. His wife's now here now. She thought there was something in the black tank. Now all we're going to do is take the water hose off and hook it up to the flush. And yes, she told me that's just fine. That's how they do it. They don't have a separate hose. Y'all do whatever you want. We're going to hook up the flush system and make sure we don't have any leaks now. Alright, tested it, everything's good, no leaks, so we're done. That's why if you winterize your RV, don't forget your black tank flush. Get some antifreeze in there too, so you can avoid this kind of mishap. So don't you have a mishap, get down in that comment section, leave me a comment, criticism, concern. I'm gonna go up there and fix another one, and y'all have a fantastic day.